In the intricate world beneath our feet, some creatures dazzle with beauty and purpose. Today, meet the rainbow green clock beetle, a tiny, iridescent marvel often overlooked in the leaf litter of ancient woodlands. More than just a pretty shell, this beetle is a swift hunter and a vital part of its ecosystem. Join me as we uncover the secrets behind its dazzling colors, its hidden life cycle, and its crucial role in the environment. Let's pull back the curtain on the rainbow green clock beetle and discover why it's one of nature's true masterpieces. The rainbow green clock beetle is a living prism, a tiny marvel that seems to have captured the very essence of a rainbow within its shell. Its body glimmers with a spectrum of colors, shifting and shimmering as it moves through the dappled sunlight of the forest floor. Its shell is a marvel of structural coloration, a natural masterpiece that doesn't rely on pigments but on the intricate architecture of its surface. Each layer is precisely arranged, reflecting and refracting light in a way that creates dazzling, ever-changing hues. Microscopic layers in its elytra scatter light, creating a shifting rainbow that changes with every movement. This phenomenon, known as iridescence, is the result of nanostructures that bend and split light, much like a finely crafted gemstone or a drop of oil on water. This iridescence isn't just for show, it's camouflage, breaking up the beetle's outline against the dappled forest floor. The ever-shifting colors help it blend seamlessly into its surroundings, making it nearly invisible to predators searching for a static shape or color. Each beetle's pattern is unique, a personal signature etched in nanostructures. No two beetles are exactly alike, and these subtle differences may help them recognize one another or even signal their fitness to potential mates. The shifting colors may even help beetles recognize each other or attract mates in the dim undergrowth. In the low light of the forest, these flashes of color become a secret language, a way to communicate and stand out without drawing the attention of hungry eyes. As the beetle moves, its shell catches the light from different angles, creating a mesmerizing display that is both beautiful and functional. This constant transformation is a reminder of nature's ingenuity, where survival and spectacle go hand in hand. Human technology is only beginning to replicate this level of microscopic precision. Engineers and scientists study these beetles, hoping to unlock the secrets of their coloration for use in everything from anti-counterfeit materials to more vibrant screens. Imagine a world where every beetle is a dancer in a ballroom of light, each step choreographed by evolution to dazzle, to hide, and to communicate. This is more than an insect. It's optical art, where beauty and function are inseparable. The beetle's shell is a living canvas, painted not with pigments, but with the physics of light itself. The iridescent shell is armor, disguise, and calling card all in one. It protects, conceals, and reveals, depending on what the moment demands. It's the first, and perhaps most stunning, of the rainbow green clock beetle's many secrets, a testament to the wonders that can be found in the smallest corners of the natural world, a living jewel crafted by evolution, and a reminder that sometimes the most extraordinary beauty is hidden in plain sight. The rainbow green clock beetle's story is rooted deep within Europe's ancient woodlands, where time seems to stand still and nature's rhythms have played out for centuries. These forests are living relics, shaped by countless generations of plants and animals, each layer telling a story of survival and adaptation. Here, the beetle thrives in old-growth forests with deep, undisturbed leaf litter, moist soil, and rotting logs, habitats teeming with hidden life. The forest floor is a world unto itself, alive with the scent of earth and the quiet activity of countless creatures. These wild, tangled woodlands are its sanctuary, far removed from the neat rows and order of managed plantations. In these untamed places, the beetle finds shelter, food, and the perfect conditions to thrive. The beetle's presence is a sign of a healthy, vibrant ecosystem, rich in biodiversity. It shares its home with a dazzling array of insects, fungi, and plants, all interconnected in a delicate balance. Its reliance on undisturbed, damp environments makes it a sensitive barometer for forest health. When the air is thick with mist and the ground soft beneath your feet, you know you're in the beetle's world. To truly understand the rainbow green clock beetle, we must first understand its home, a mosaic of shifting light, deep shadow, and the slow, constant process of decay that nourishes new life. This habitat is not just a backdrop, but the very fabric of its existence. Every patch of moss, every fallen branch plays a role in the beetle's survival. But as these ancient forests become rarer, so too does the beetle. The loss of these woodlands threatens not just a single species, but the intricate web of life that depends on them. Speed is survival for the rainbow green clock beetle. In the dense, shadowy world of the forest floor, every second counts. Here, danger lurks behind every leaf, and only the swiftest can hope to thrive. For this beetle, being fast isn't just an advantage, it's a way of life. Unlike the slow beetles we imagine, this species is a true sprinter, darting across the forest floor with astonishing agility. Its movements are a blur, making it seem almost impossible to follow with the naked eye. While other beetles lumber along, the rainbow green clock beetle races ahead, always alert and ready to react. Its long, slender legs and powerful muscles work in perfect harmony, transforming it into a miniature racing machine. These adaptations allow it to chase down prey or escape predators in a split second, covering ground at a pace that belies its tiny size. Every step is a testament to its evolutionary design. The beetle's movements are purposeful, pausing, sensing, then exploding into action. It can freeze in place, blending into the background before launching itself forward with incredible speed. This stop-and-go strategy keeps both prey and predators guessing. Its speed is both a hunting tool and a primary defense. When it's on the hunt, it can close the gap between itself and its prey in the blink of an eye. When threatened, it vanishes into the undergrowth before danger can even react. Even if a predator spots its glinting, iridescent shell, catching it is another matter entirely. The beetle's dazzling colors may attract attention, but its lightning-fast reflexes ensure it rarely falls victim. Camouflage helps, but speed saves. The rainbow green clock beetle's ability to blend in gives it a moment's advantage, but it's the explosive burst of movement that truly keeps it safe. Watching it hunt is like seeing a tiny cheetah in action. It stalks its prey with patience, then strikes with precision and speed, leaving little chance for escape. This combination of patience and explosive power makes it a formidable predator. It's a master of ambush, waiting for the perfect moment before unleashing its speed. The rainbow green clock beetle is truly the sprinter of the undergrowth, a marvel of adaptation, speed, and survival in the miniature world beneath our feet. Beyond forests, the rainbow green clock beetle is a gardener's secret weapon. It hunts slugs, snails, caterpillars, and aphids, pests that damage crops and plants. By patrolling gardens and fields, it provides natural pest control, reducing the need for chemicals. Its active pursuit keeps pest populations in check, protecting plants and supporting a healthy ecosystem. The beetle is a silent guardian, working through the night. Far from being a threat, it's a valuable ally for anyone who loves their garden, a tiny, iridescent knight defending the green. The beetle's life above ground is only half the story. After mating, females lay eggs in damp soil or under decaying logs. The larvae that hatch are fierce, eyeless hunters, living underground for up to a year. They prey on soil-dwelling invertebrates, aerating the earth as they burrow. This hidden stage is a time of growth and danger, as larvae molt and evade predators. When ready, the larva pupates, transforming inside a chamber in the soil. The adult emerges, iridescent and ready to begin life above ground. Each beetle's journey starts in darkness, ending in a flash of color. When speed and camouflage fail, the rainbow green clock beetle has a final defense: chemistry. Special glands at its abdomen release a noxious spray of quinones when threatened. This chemical cocktail repels or harms attackers, buying the beetle precious seconds to escape. The beetle can aim its spray with precision, conserving its reserves for true emergencies. Producing these chemicals is costly, so it's used sparingly. Over generations, this defense has been honed by survival. Even the smallest creatures can wield powerful weapons. As darkness falls, the rainbow green clock beetle comes alive. Primarily nocturnal, it hunts and patrols under the cover of night, avoiding daytime predators. The cool, damp night protects it from drying out and offers abundant prey: slugs, snails, and caterpillars. Its senses of touch and smell guide it through the shadows. Emerging at dusk, it becomes a silent, shimmering hunter in the moonlit undergrowth. Nighttime is its domain, full of drama and opportunity. This nocturnal lifestyle defines its ecological niche. The forest after dark is alive, and the beetle is one of its leading actors. The rainbow green clock beetle's life spans about 2 years, a long journey for an insect. Most of its first year is spent as a larva underground, surviving winter in dormancy and growing for its transformation. The adult emerges in spring or summer, hunting, feeding, and seeking a mate. As winter returns, adults find shelter to hibernate, facing another trial. Those that survive have one last season to reproduce. By the end of its second summer, its cycle is complete. This life, measured in seasons, ensures a new generation is always waiting in the soil. The beetle's story is one of endurance and renewal. The rainbow green clock beetle's beauty and importance have earned it legal protection in many regions. Laws now shield both the beetle and its habitat from harm and overcollection. Its presence can even help protect entire forests, as it signals a healthy ecosystem. Conservation efforts include research, habitat management, and creating wildlife corridors. Protecting this beetle means safeguarding a whole web of life. It's a shift in how we value even the smallest creatures. The beetle's protection is a promise to cherish nature's wonders. Despite protections, the rainbow green clock beetle faces decline as its ancient woodland home disappears. Habitat loss, fragmentation, and modern forestry practices threaten its survival. Isolated populations lose genetic diversity and become more vulnerable. Pollution and climate change add to the pressures. The beetle's fading colors mirror the loss of biodiversity across Europe. Its decline is a warning, a symbol of what we risk losing. Protecting its habitat is vital for the future of countless species. The rainbow green clock beetle's story reminds us that nature's greatest dramas often unfold on the smallest scale. Its fate reflects our impact on the world, but hope remains. By protecting forests and respecting even the tiniest creatures, we can help its rainbow shine on. Next time you walk in the woods, look closer. You might glimpse a living jewel at work. Let's ensure this masterpiece endures for generations to come.